Tire condition and pressure are good. Brake fluid level is fine. Battery cables and connectors are in good condition. That's it for pre-operation. Now, the operational inspection. That's weird. The headlights are dim. Let's see if the horn is working. Weird. Each time I blow the horn, the headlights practically go out.
Nate noticed a few problems while he was doing his operational inspection at the start of his shift. It's important to know about inspection and maintenance in order to be able to identify whether a forklift is safe to use or not. When Nate was completing the operational inspection of his electric forklift, he noticed that the headlights were dim and almost went out completely when he sounded the horn. Select each button to learn some basic information about forklift inspections. The purpose of the inspection is to make sure the forklift is in safe operating condition before using it. If you try to operate a forklift that is defective or has an operational problem, it could result in a work interruption, an injury, or permanent damage to the forklift or company property.